Morning, everyone. So we are currently here at the Bread and Basic Production NC2 workshop. So let's have a quick tour. So ito po ang ating workshop for bread and pastry production. This is the first workstation or workstation 1 for prepare and produce bakery products as well as pastry products. Dito din po sinasagawa ang institutional assessment. Therefore, nandito ang ating institutional assessment area and practical work area. On this side, we have our the display of national certificates and NTPC of both BPP and Cookery NC2 trainers. We also have here our monitoring tools for the training. We have the progress chart, the training activity matrix, and achievement chart. Also posted here din po ay yung ating housekeeping or maintenance schedule. We also have posting or display of our mission, goals, and objectives of the qualification. So please follow me. Papunta po dito sa may area kung nasaan ang ating comfort room. So we also have checklist po, maintenance checklist or housekeeping checklist for our comfort room. And then we have first aid cabinet with complete list of medicine and items for first aid. Now let's proceed to workstation 2 for prepare and produce gato torts and cakes as well as prepare and present petit fours. This is also considered as an institutional assessment area or practical work area for that qualification. So we have here our equipment, ovens. We also have the wash area. And this is the workstation 3 for prepare desserts. Also the institutional assessment area and practical work area for that for that unit of competency. And then this is our tool room or tool room area. And of course, kailangan natin siguraduhin na well segregated ang ating mga waste. So we have a waste disposal area. Let's go back to the workstation 1. We also have here fire extinguisher. Other equipment such as stoves, breath, other equipment like mixers. And then we have our learning resource area. Another fire extinguisher. So this is also our emergency exit. And lastly, we have our evacuation plan.